a brief and a quick background on why we're moving back to India. So, our vacation of 2.5 years is now coming to an end from UAE, or Dubai, rather, I should say. We actually moved in the core and peak of COVID to Dubai, because everywhere else the world was shut, but Dubai and UAE was one place which was open in terms of everything. Forget about the theaters and everything, but even it was open, schools were open, and you can go and do everything. Of course, masks were required, but everything was open, and I wanted to explore an opportunity, and Chandeep wanted to explore an opportunity outside India. So we decided that let's go to Dubai. Of course, no less than any other European country. So here we were. We started our journey quite differently. We had our own experiences, which were good, bad, ugly, but most of them were good. What I'm going to miss about Dubai is definitely its infrastructure, definitely the openness and freeness that we have got here, kind of a lot of new things that we have explored together, a lot of places. I think this will be the biggest vacation ever we have encountered so far. It was a great journey for Rehat, because he got an opportunity to get and experience another culture apart from India, and we get to see a lot many things. We've roamed Dubai like crazy. I'm sure I'm going to miss it. I'm sure Rehat is going to miss it. I'm sure Chandeep is going to miss it. But Chandeep is going to come quite often, is what I think, because of the work that he is doing. But it was a true journey. It was a true experience. I think I'm never going to forget this experience. There are some other personal things also going on in my background, in the back of my mind, and I think I will talk about it when I'm truly in that mode to talk about. But yes, it's time for us to go back, meet parents, and be with them for as long as we can. But this is actually my heart out, that finally why are we leaving Dubai. This journey has actually started about 9 months ago. That's when we decided. Now, a lot of would think while you've reached this level is that why did you not move at that point in time when you decided? But we did not move because Rehat's session already started, and we wanted him to complete his academic session. And that's where we decided that okay, once he completes his session, that's when we will move. I'm sure, I'm keeping the fingers crossed that things do turn out well for future as well. But that's the status as of now. I'm continuing the journey on. I'm sure this journey of UAE is going to come to an end in just few months time. But yes, that's what is happening, and stay tuned. A lot of more packing is to be done for sure. There's a lot that needs to go, but that's gonna happen when I come back, and when the final packing starts and we shut down everything from here and move back to India. So yeah, stay tuned and be with me in this journey. Okay, so जाने की हो गई है तैयारी. These are the 2 bags that I am carrying with me. That's my handbag, that's my wallet. वो भी अंदर जाने वाला है anyways, क्योंकि लास्ट मिनट तक मैं खोलती रहती हूँ, बंद करती रहती हूँ. And then that's my laptop bag, and I'm ready. देख लो, सिर्फ 7 days के लिए जा रही हूँ, फिर भी मेरे पास बहुत सारा सामान है. बट उस बड़े वाले बैग के पीछे बहुत सारी कहानी है, बट दैट आई विल टेल यू व्हेन आई कम क्लोजर टू इट. सो ऑल सेट टू गो, एंड wearing this thing. प्लीज़ डोंट माइंड द बैकग्राउंड. एज यूजुअल सबके घरों में ऐसे कपड़े टंगे होते हैं, मेरे घर में भी टंगे हुए हैं, सो दैट्स फाइन. ये ऐसे ही बन के जाने वाली हूँ मैं टू द एयरपोर्ट, बिकॉज कम्फर्ट इज़ very important for me. Shoes पहने हैं, and then I'm all set to go. This is it. Bye bye Dubai, and I will see you super soon. Okay, so this bag apparently I have taken. ये सामान इंडिया वापस जा रहा है. धीरे 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 सारे घर की सेटअप खत्म हो रही है. So if you remember in the last vlog I said that this is the big bag that is going to go to India. So that's one bag. This is the another bag which is going, and now Chandeep is going in few days, so he'll carry some of the stuff. So the house that you see filled here is gonna get empty very soon, and look at the mess here. And all of this is going to get over with. So see you soon, India. हेलो सो एक लॉट तो मॉम ऑलरेडी ले गई हैं. दिस इज़ द सेकेंड लॉट गेटिंग रेडी क्योंकि चंदीप इज़ नाउ गोइंग इन जनवरी. तो ये खाली है अभी बॉक्सेस में, मैंने कुछ रखा नहीं है. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम कीपिंग दीज बिकॉज गिव्स लिटिल बिट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी टू दी स्टफ दैट इज़ गोइंग टू गो. मेरे पास परफ्यूम्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, सो देन दिस बॉक्स इज़ फुल ऑफ परफ्यूम्स राइट नाउ. इसमें बहुत सारे कपड़े भी हैं क्योंकि मेरे को परफ्यूम्स बाइंड करके और रैप करके भेजने से. सो दिस इज़ ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. कुछ कुछ सामान ऐसा वहाँ पे भी पड़ा है और ये सब भी है. सो वॉट एवर आई नीड टू सेंड, आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इट हियर सो दैट यू नो आई नो what needs to go and what is not required. But there are a lot of things that are going back to back to India. We are moving back. So by the time you'll watch this video, I will already be in India. बट येस धीरे धीरे बहुत सारा सामान वापस इंडिया जा रहा है. येस, फीलिंग सैड, फीलिंग हैप्पी, आई हैव अ मिक्स्ड इमोशंस. बट येस, दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग एट दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. सो यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी. यहाँ पे एक और फ्लावर पॉट था और इनफैक्ट ये वाला जो शो पीस है वो पहले यहाँ पे था. बट एंड देयर वाज अ फ्लावर पॉट. अगर मुझे उसकी पिक्चर कहीं पे मिल गई तो आई विल जस्ट पोस्ट इट समवेयर हियर. यहाँ पे फ्लावर पॉट था बट देन आई हैव सेंट इट बैक दैट टू विद मॉम. सो फ्लावर पॉट की जगह पे कुछ फिल करना था. सो आई हैव पिक्ड अप the showpiece from here to here so that you know background में जो भी video बनती है वो you know aesthetically pleasing हो. There were a lot of flowers in there, so that has gone back to India. This guitar is going to go very soon. So धीरे धीरे घर खाली होता जा रहा है. इसमें भी बहुत सारी बुक्स थी जो ऑलरेडी इंडिया जा चुकी हैं. This rack is sorry for the mess, ये रहर का mess है ऊपर. But yes, this rack is also going to get empty very soon in January. So yes, this will also go away. ये एरिया थोड़ा खाली हो जाएगा. धीरे धीरे घर खाली होता जा रहा है. These sofas will move very soon when we are coming closer to you know leaving the house. बट ये जो चीज़ें नहीं चाहिए वी आर जस्ट सेंडिंग देम बैक टू इंडिया. जैसे जैसे चक्कर लगता है, जैसे जैसे प्लान होता है, जैसे जैसे ट्रिप बनती है, वैसे वैसे आई एम सेंडिंग स्टफ. It's a mixed feeling, as I said, that I've built house slowly and gradually. ये सारे पीछे जो ring lights है, cameras है, all of this going to get dismantled and then we have to carry it with us. But yes, this is what it is. And of course, if there is an opportunity that comes our way in near future, we'll definitely take that hit again, and we'll definitely probably look at all the aspects and try to move if that's the possibility available. But abhi yahi hai that we are going to India. But yes, aaj mausam bahut acha hai. It's 21st of December and there we are still 6 months to go. Planning abhi se hi ho gaya. We started planning all of this 9 months ago. 3 महीने ऑलरेडी हो चुके हैं. बाय द टाइम विल गो इट विल बी 9 months ऑफ अस प्लानिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. So yes, there is a lot of work that is going in the background. So stay tuned and be with us while we are shifting back to India.